Transform your ordinary clips into captivating slow-motion masterpieces right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, let's get your video clip into the timeline. Simply drag and drop your desired video file from your project panel directly onto your sequence. Now, to initiate the magic of slow motion, we need to access the clip's properties. Right-click on the video clip you wish to slow down. From the context menu that pops up, select Speed, Duration. This will open a new window where we can precisely dial in our slow motion effect. Within the Speed Duration window, you'll see various options. The most crucial one for us is the speed percentage. By default, it's set to 100%, meaning normal playback speed. To create slow motion, we need to reduce this percentage for a clip that plays at half its original speed. Enter 50% for even slower motion, like a quarter speed. You'd input 25%. As you adjust the speed, notice how Premiere Pro automatically recalculates the clip's duration to accommodate the slower playback. This ensures your slow motion sequence smoothly fits within your editing timeline. It's also a good idea to ensure that ripple edit, shifting trailing clips is checked. This intelligent option automatically adjusts subsequent clips on the timeline, preventing unwanted gaps when you shorten your slowdown clip. Once you've set your desired speed, click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it. Your video clip now plays back at a dramatically reduced speed, perfect for highlighting peak action or adding a touch of cinematic flair. Experiment with different speed percentages to discover the perfect tempo for your creative vision. You've now unlocked the power to craft stunning slow motion sequences in Premiere Pro.